Fat loss is sexist, and you shouldn't have to feel worried about getting on the scales, whether you're a guy or a girl. I bet you've tried everything, but nothing works. Maybe the fat loss playing field just isn't fair. And after this week's Quit Fitness in the Flash episode, here we go, it never will be again. I've trained heaps of people, and usually they've been to a trainer before. And what I've found is every trainer will tell them to eat less and move more. But the sad thing is, that old trainer and that old advice is wrong. They don't understand what's going on with your biology. You shouldn't have to fight your biology and the bad advice at the same time. I'm Jack, the trainer from Down Under with over 4 decades in the fitness industry. And here's the sad truth. Men will lose fat faster. Women, your body hangs on to the fat because it needs the fat. It stores the fat in the places you don't want it to be stored. The back of the arms, the stomach, the bum. It's the way it is. We need to keep the fat because we need you to keep the fat because of gestation. So why can't you lose the weight? Why is it you can't lose it where you want to lose it? Why is it you can't lose weight as quick as your partner? We'll find out more in this week's full episode of Get Your Body Back. Weight loss is sexist. Watch the full episode and see how we even up the playing field, because